different result that is Polokwane.
Here they come, the two sides out. It comes off Nikani, and Stellenbosch have the lead. They can't claim it, I'm afraid, Devon Titus. Though we have seen some rather strange goals awarded to people who shouldn't be awarded the goals. But this very much an own goal.
Goes well with a good cross, attacking that near post, miscued by Titus. The last touch comes off Nikani. You can see he's frustrated by the lack of pressure on the man that is bringing in the cross in Goswell. He takes away the focus from the ball because he's watching what his left back is doing in that moment. Flat-footed Sapunga in goals. They take the lead, the list.
Big smile from Devon Titus.
And Stellenbosch and Nku and De Jong are on the side. That's the freedom that is given to the team.
Good work from Jabbar behind De Jong in the area. They're two in the middle. They're queuing up here. Good save from Sapunga. There is a flat claim in there from Stellenbosch, but the action continues. Titus now. And Sapunga got connected there by a rather frustrated Polokwane, who says there was a handball in there. Let's have a look. This was a very swift build-up. I don't think any handball can be given in that situation. Bounces back there. The hand on the ground is against Kaki, is what Stellenbosch were appealing for. Now back line with Titus. Good save. Left foot to De Jong. Back inside to Titus. A good dummy. And they're queuing up there. No one can get the finishing touch. And another good chance goes a begging. You wonder.
He finds De Jong. Look at that combination again. Good dummy coming from Titus in that moment. Nku has been brilliant so far in the opening.
Looks for Titus. Gets the flick on here for Nku. Titus, is he onside? That's a good save from Sapunga. The flag stayed down. Well, initially I thought
maybe it's on his weaker foot, Mr. Glees. That's why I was saying he didn't take it first time, but it ricochets to Titus. But I think the man that has really kept Polokwane City in the game has been Sapunga in goals.
That's a great save. That's a massive, really been getting stuck in there. Yes, Polokwane now dragging it back. Titus! 2-0. Number 9 of the season for Devon Titus. And with the national team coach in the house, you can see why he's happy.
Look at that central area. There's no reference for them. Then he moves out to the Polokwane. Look at Dion making that run. Lisibanku to the far post. The late run into the box coming from Titus. It's on his weaker foot. But he says, I'm an international player now. The Bafana coach is here. He takes it first time. Goal number 9 in all competition. He went for placement rather than for power. Well taken goal.
And no chance for Sapunga on that occasion that he could do about the effort from Devon Titus on fit that he does. There's Barnes now. Chance for Basadin. Oh, it is saved by Sapunga. Oh, he had a fabulous finish for the previous one. That was a little bit on the soft side from Powers Basadin.
I just think he chose the wrong technique, the one that he got on target earlier on.
With Barnes, who played it across here. Not the best of crosses, but Basadin will look at that again.
Go through the laces. Go through the laces.
Chance for Ashley Cupido now. Needs a bit of support. Has a look around. Barnes on the overlap now. Can they drag it back? Oh, he was a bit hasty there on the follow through. Was Ishmael Toure.
He's still doing the job.
Basadin, chance at the back post. Toure is still there, looking for a goal.
Good touch coming from Shabalala, coming to assist defensively. in this moment. It's over the head of Nikani, but Shabalala gets the crucial touch, take the ball away from Ture, who's lacking on the far post.
Stellenbosch eagerly await to see who they will be meeting in the next round. Polokwane City, as we mentioned earlier, never been further than the quarterfinals in the past.